Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover the swept boss or base. So swept boss or base command works pretty similar like the loft, but in this one we don't need two profiles, we just need only one profile, and that is going through the path and following the path. So you can say, like, you can just take a example like a tube or like a electric wire, and it's gonna have the same shape throughout of the all the profiles. So for example, I have a clothing hanger here, so we are gonna apply the swept boss base on this example, and let me show how it works in SolidWorks. Okay, so I already have two sketches. The first one, which I already have a sketch, as you can see here, I have a rectangle here, and then there is another sketch which is a cloth hanger here. So what we can do is we can just go into the features and we can see exactly how this swept boss or base works. So I'm gonna go into the features, and you can see in the ribbon section here is the swept boss or base command. So I'm gonna go into it, and there are two options. The first option is sketch profile. So if you already have a sketch profile, then you can choose this, or if you don't have any sketch profile, then you can just go into the circular profile, and then you need to select the profile and the width of the profile. So in this way it is gonna made a uniform width of the profile around your sketch. But right now we already have a sketch, so the advantage of having a sketch is later on you can just modify your sketch. So right now I have a sketch profile here, so I'm gonna go into that, and then I need to select the sketch. So this is my sketch, and then I just need to select the profile. I'm gonna go into the profile, and then I'm gonna click the sketch one. Okay, so it's gonna draw the whole sketch on your profile. So that is just one side. If you want to have to another side, you can click this direction 2 option, or if you want to have on both direction, you can just click this bidirectional option. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. Okay, there are some other options. Like you can see in the options, we can go and the profile orientation, just follow the path, or you can have a twist like profile twist. So let's make it a bit fancy. So I'm gonna add specify twist value, and in the degrees I would like to have 5000, I can say. And then look, in this way we can just add some twists and made it fancy, but this is just on the one side, so we just need to add these twists on another side as well. So I'm gonna add 5000 on that side as well. So if you like it, then you can just click the green check mark. Okay, so in this way we can have a really fancy clothing hanger for our coat. But if you don't like that, so you can go back into the edit feature, and then I would like to turn off this. Okay, so I have a really pretty simple cloth hanger right now. So if you like it, then you can just go and click the green check mark. So in this way I can use this swept boss or base command by using a sketch. But what if I don't have a sketch? Then what I can do is, so first I would like to hide this. So what I can do is, I have in the body, so I can just hide this body. Okay, but look, because the sketches are under the sweep, so I still have my sketch and my profile. So what I can do is, I can just go into the features again and go into the boss or base command. And then this time I'm gonna choose the circular profile. So for the circular profile, so I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna select my sketch one. Okay, and then I need to mention the width, like at what width I want to make it. So I would say it should be 0.25 inches. Okay, 0.25 inches. In this way I can have a uniform clothing hanger. I like the design, so I'm just gonna click the green check mark. Look at that. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.